I hope all are doing well at home. So today our subject is English, and in English we are going to revise the sound of vowel. So we will read the words given in our books, and also we will solve the exercise. Okay, and we will learn about the colors. Earlier in junior and nursery already we learned about colors, but only was the identification. But today we will read the spelling, and also we will learn. Okay, and I will send you worksheet, so you have to write the colors name in your notebook also. Okay, so let's start. So children, open page number 36 in your English book. Sounds of vowels. L double OK look, 88, TH the, PICTURES pictures, AND and READ read the, WORDS words, ALOUD aloud. First we have to look at the picture, then we have to read the words. Okay, look here. What is this? Cat. C-A-T, cat. C-A-T, cat. What is this? Pot. P-O-D, pot. P-O-D, pot. Look here. This one is dog, but it is wet. Wet means gila. So W-E-T, wet. W-E-T, wet. This one is tub. T-U-B, tub. T-U-B, tub. This one is bow, and what he is doing? He is digging the earth. So D-I-G, dig. D-I-G, dig. Look here. What is this? Dam. D-E-N, dam. D-E-N, dam. Cow. C-O-P, cow. C-O-P, cow. Sun. S-U-N, sun. S-U-N, sun. This one is cup. And in this cup there is tea. And what is this? This is biscuit. And what he is doing? He is dipping the biscuit in this tea. So D-I-P, dip. D-I-P, dip. Okay, now page number 37. Exercises. F-I-double-L fill, I-N-T-H-E the, C-O-R-R-E-C-T correct, V-O, W-E-L-S vowels, T-O-2, C-O-M-P-L-E-T-E complete, T-H-E the, N-A-M-E-S names of, T-H-E-S-E these, P-I-C-T-U-R-E-S pictures. Here what we have to do? Images are given and also spellings are written, but one letter is missing from each spelling. So what we have to do? We have to write the vowels A-E-I-O-U. What is this? Log. So what is the spelling of log? L-O-G. So what will come here? O. So to complete this spelling we have to write here O. L-O-G, log. Look, this one is mug. What is the spelling of mug? M-U-G. So we will write here U, M-U-G, mug. This one is fan, F-A-N, fan. So here we will write A, F-A-N, fan. J, what is the spelling of J? Z-I-P. So we will write here I, Z-I-P, J. Gun, so G-U-N, gun. Pin, P-I-N, pin. Van, V-A-N, van. Hand, H-E-N, hand. Okay children, like this you have to complete these all spellings in your textbook also. Exercise B. I-D-E-N-T-I-F-I. Identify the following F-O-L-L-O-W-I-N-G following P-I-C-T-U-R-E-S pictures, A-N-D and M-A-T-C-H match THEM them, WITH with, THEIR there, NAMES names. Identify the following pictures and match them with their names. So look here, images are given this side and this side also, both sides, okay, left and right, and between the images there are words. So what we have to do? We have to read the words and have to match with the image belongs to that word. Okay, so let's start. POD, pod. This one is pod, so we will match here. BIB, bib. This one is bib. Look here. FOX, fox. Fox is this side, so we will match here. BELL, bell is this side, so we will match here. MUG, mug. Mug is this side, so we will match here. Okay. TAP, tape. We will match here. Okay, children. Like this, you also have to match. Now, look. COLOURS, colors. COLOURS, colors. So this one is red. RED, red. In junior and nursery, you have learned only identification. Here we will read the spelling and also learn them. Okay. RED, red. YELLOW, yellow. YELLOW, yellow. GREEN, green. GREEN, green. BLUE, blue. BLUE, blue. BROWN, brown. BROWN, brown. PINK, pink. PINK, pink. WHITE, white. WHITE, white. BLACK, black. BLACK, black. VIOLET, violet. VIOLET, violet. ORANGE, orange. ORANGE, orange. ORANGE, orange. Okay, children, you also have to write in your notebook the names of colors. I will send you worksheet also. And look down here. Color the pictures. So what you have to do? You have to read here. Which color you have to fill? Look here. RED, red. TOMATO, tomato. Red tomato. So here you have to fill the red color. And here green. Okay, children. Now yellow papaya. So here you have to fill yellow color. Green leaf. Here you have to fill green color. Okay. So like this you have to complete this page also today. Bye bye. Take care.